And now we get to factor completely again. What's the first thing that you look for when you're factoring? Greatest.
Is this another video?
Greatest common monomial.
Greatest common monomial. You're cleaning my room after school. Thank you for volunteering. I love it when people volunteer to clean my room. All right, so greatest common monomial, what goes into all three of these terms? Well, I notice they all are divisible by 5, so I know that 5 goes into all of them. And I'm also looking at this, and I see that I have my quadratic term, that is the x squared term. That is, it's last, and that's just like bad grammar. So I really want to write this first. So I will. What is 45 divided by 5? Well, it's just 9. I still have my x squared. Negative 60, x divided by 5 is negative 12x. And 20 divided by 5 is positive 4. So then, go through my checklist again, because I notice that I still have a squared term, so I may be able to factor it again. Is this a difference of squares? No. No. Because I have an addition symbol, and I have a trinomial, and, well, they are both, this term and this term are both squares, so that means I may actually have a square binomial. So let's treat this as a square binomial. We will have 5, and the square binomial will have one set of parentheses with a squared. I know we're going to have a negative because my middle term is negative. What is the square root of 9x squared? That's right, it's 3x. What's the square root of 4? 2. All right, and so here's my a term, here's my b term, and we know that 2ab is going to equal my linear term, which is negative 12x. So 2, I'll rewrite this. 2 times my a term, which is 3x, times my b term, which is negative 2, is going to be equal to, well, 3 times 2 is 6. So that's 6x. 6x times negative 2 is negative 12x. And it works. So therefore, this is my final answer.